Hello, speechers, and welcome to your Speech Call Center video of the day. And today we talk about the past. And in past, we have two families. The family of the regular verbs. And that means the past tense is formed adding ed. En inglés tenemos dos familias para formar el pasado. Y esas dos familias son regular, la familia de los regulares, e irregular, la familia de los irregulares. Vamos a empezar por platicar de los regulares. ¿Qué quiere decir? What does it mean? That we have to add ed to the main action. For example, I work in the morning. Yo trabajo en la mañana. But yesterday, pero ayer, trabajé en la tarde. But yesterday I worked in the afternoon. So take a look. Regular verbs plus ed. Work becomes worked. Play becomes played. And live becomes lived. Worked, played, lived. Okay? And remember, in present, I work in the morning. My father works in the afternoon. You work in the evening. She works in the mornings. So we have double possibility. Work, works. In past, no more. En presente tenemos dos posibilidades para conjugar. Yo trabajo, I work. Tú trabajas, you work. Ellos trabajan, they work. Nosotros trabajamos, we work. Pero hacíamos un cambio para él, he works. Para ella, she works. Y para eso, it works. En pasado, no más cambios. Una sola posibilidad. Yo trabajo en la mañana, I work in the morning. Pero ayer trabajé en la tarde. But yesterday, I worked in the afternoon. My father works in the afternoon. But yesterday, he worked in the morning. The same past tense. I worked, you worked, he worked, she worked, it worked, we worked, you worked, they worked. Same thing. Ed because it's the family of the regular verbs. Worked, played, lived. But we have another family, pero tenemos otra familia. We said regular, irregular. Irregular verbs. They change. Los verbos irregulares cambian. And we need to memorize them. For example, verb to be. I am a teacher. But I was a student in the past. Yo soy una maestra, pero fui una estudiante en el pasado. I am a teacher. I was a student. You are a student. In present, in past, you were a baby one day. And I was a baby too. Long, long time ago. So am, was, are, were. The present tense in verb to be is are. I change it to were. The present tense is am or is. I change it to was. Si el presente que estoy usando del verbo to be es am para yo, o is para él o ella, ahora en pasado es was. I was a baby and he was a baby too. Long time ago. And the present is are. You are a student and you were a baby. Long, long time ago. So you see, that is the irregularity of verb to be. All the other verbs have one possibility. Todos los otros verbos tienen una sola posibilidad. Solo el verbo to be, que tiene 3 posibilidades en presente, am, are, is, tiene 2 en pasado. Was y were. Todos los demás, igual que los regulares, una sola posibilidad. For example, I have a cat. Yo tengo un gato. I had a dog. When I was a baby. Yo tuve un perro cuando era bebé. Had. Have. Had. You see? No ed. Irregular. It changes. Go. I go to Walmart on Fridays. Yo voy a Walmart los viernes. But I went yesterday. I went yesterday. Pero fui ayer. Go, went. Irregular. And then come. Come. My mom comes to my house on Mondays. Mi mamá viene a la casa los lunes. But she came yesterday and it was Wednesday. Pero ella vino ayer y fue miércoles. Come, came. So that's the difference in past. 2 families, regular, irregular. Regular plus ed. Examples. I work in the morning, but yesterday I worked in the afternoon. I play soccer, but yesterday I played volleyball. And I live in Canada, but I lived in England long time ago. Irregular. I have a cat, but I had a baby dog when I was a child. I go to Walmart on Fridays, but I went to Walmart yesterday. My mother comes to my house on Mondays, but she came yesterday and it was Wednesday. You see, speechers, this is the difference. Regular and irregular. See you in the next one, and don't forget, speechers, click, subscribe, and follow. Please comment. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.